I was supposed to do the rice water challenge for 7 days, but on day 4 of those 7 days, I realized I was only doing it for 5. I'm like, I got to put up a video on this. I got to tell them no matter the good or the bad, I'm gonna let them know. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Miesha, and today I will be showing you guys a update of my hair after doing the rice water challenge for 5 days straight. Now I'm going to tell you guys the pros, the cons, what I do and what I don't like about the rice water, so stay tuned. I'm also going to show you guys my hair length as well as why my hair grew and why my hair broke off. So if it's something that you guys are interested in seeing, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I washed my hair beforehand and I tried to comb as soon as I got finished so that you guys can see how wet and dry my hair is at the same time. And I did not use a towel. I used this t-shirt because I don't want to take any more moisture out of my hair that has already been taken out. So this is my hair straight from being washed. So as you can see, my hair is wet, but it's dry. The porosity is making the water run off of my hair. And we're gonna get into detail to why my hair is like this later on in the video. But just for now, I just want you guys to see what I'm talking about. Like, my hair is like drying so fast. So I want to add that I did deep condition my hair after I washed it. So this is my first time shampooing my hair. When I was doing the challenge, I was not shampooing my hair. It was strictly the routine that I had in my rice water challenge for 5 days straight, period. I did deep condition afterwards because I want to keep that moisture in there because I'm trying to repair my hair because it's damaged. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. Like, my hair is damaged. So my hair is like extremely dry. So I'm gonna add this into my hair just for a little bit of slip and to help the dryness. Okay, so we're all blown out and I got it as straight as I could get it, but I have not straightened my hair out and seen my hair flat since summer of my 11th grade year. The last time that I ever permed my hair and straightened my hair, oh my gosh, my hair literally had no bounce, no flow, no anything. That's why I don't perm my hair to this day. Just a little flashback for you guys. So with that being said, let's get into the video. Okay, I don't want it to get soaking wet because this is like water. And when I put like water or gel on my hair, it doesn't matter, the slightest amount will make my hair curl up. If I would have sprayed this on my hair back then, baby, I would have had to blow dry again. How do I want this? Do I want a side part, a middle part, or what? Like, comment down below what you guys think my part should be. I mean, hey, this is not a live video. Oh my gosh. I wish that like YouTube, no I don't, because baby, bloopers would be ferocious. What do I want to do? How do I want my hair? Okay, so guys, I lied. My hair is like shifting back, but it's not shifting into a curl. It's shifting into a puff. So like, it's just dry. That's all I can say. I was supposed to do the rice water challenge for 7 days, but on day 4 of those 7 days, I realized I was only doing it for 5. I'm like, I got to put up a video on this. I got to tell them no matter the good or the bad, I'm gonna let them know. So on day 4, my hair was actually resisting the water. My hair was growing with this rice water, but it was changing my hair at the same time. So my hair was at this point resisting the water. Like my hair was getting wet, but it wasn't getting wet. So this one I noticed, I'm like, hey, this rice water is like ruining my hair. Day 5, my hair was dry, it was brittle. What I think helped my hair a lot was doing the conditioning within the rice water. If I would have just did the rice water alone without the conditioner, it was not gonna work. It was just not dry as it would have been, like a total nightmare. I just want to say overall, I do like the rice water. Now, as much as I hate that my hair is dry, like it has so much shine to it now, and it's a natural shine. It did help my hair grow, even though on day 5, my hair broke off really bad. If you guys see me do the rice water, I wouldn't do it consecutive. I would like incorporate it into a routine, like an overnight challenge or something like that. So I got a little hang time. I'm just mad at the fact that my hair is like so dry to where I'm gonna have to moisturize my hair every day to get it back to how it used to be. But if you guys do want to see a straight to curly routine, let me know, because so I want to see if I'm gonna have some damage with going back curly, as well as I want to see how my hair goes from straight to curly. So that concludes this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will give the rice water a 5 out of 10. When doing the rice water, you do want to know what you're getting yourself into so that you don't mess up your hair. So the reason why I give it a 5 is because I should have did my research. If I would have did my research beforehand, it would have turned out much better. I do like the fact how my hair is now. It's more stronger, it's shinier. And I just have to learn my hair and learn how to maintain it the way that it is now with the dryness, with adding more products that's moisturizing. But overall, it was fun to experiment with my hair. I won't do it again for 5 days straight, but if you guys do want to see another video on the rice water challenge, go ahead and comment down below. Give me some ideas on what I can do and what can I incorporate in my next routine. If you guys have already tried the rice water challenge, comment down below and let me know what you guys went through with doing the rice water challenge. Did it grow your hair? Did it take your hair out? Did it change your curl texture? Did you change your hair overall? What happened? And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and follow me on my social media. My Snapchat is queen-isha. My Instagram and also my Twitter is myishaleve_. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. Bye.